Hello everyone. I have purchased Tidy a washing machine top cleaner from Amazon and I will try using it today. The package includes safety precautions and instructions on how to use it with your washing machine. First, we need to put it directly into the drum. You should ensure that your washing machine is empty before starting. Then you have to select a long duration washing program. Here I am using the Mixing Daily program. Let's see how it works. After using it, I can see that the drum is really clean. It worked very well. You can see the difference, it's spotless. The product is very effective and definitely worth trying.